The measurement here is 18.5 inches by 29.5 inches. 18.5 inches by 29.5 inches. I'm going to be making this one, this icon for tuba for auto gele, and attach this on top. This one, just attach it. I attach this one on top. This one, I have this cap, this base cap in my channel. You can go and check it out. With this one, this is what I'm going to be making today. This one, the material Sego head tie. You can use iron to iron this part. I'm done with the plate. I'm going to, the last one here is inside. Fold. As you are folding like this, you sew. You fold and sew. Continue like this. Continue. You fold and sew. Or if you are using glue, you can do that. Let the beginning be tight. The starting, let it be tight. This place, instead of holding this part with pin, you sew, because you've started with sewing or with hot glue. Then after that, adjust, bring it out like this. This way is super easy. This is the back, the front. This is how I make my icon for auto gele or for tuban. Very simple to make. This one and this one I make the same way. The way I make this is also the same way I make this one. Pretty simple. If you want to use it permanent on one cap, then you sew. But if you are going to remove and use on another cap, then just pin. Place it where you want and then pin together. I'm just using this as an example. This is 24 inches, 29 inches, 24, 29 inches. I bring this way, triangle shape, then I start to plait. After the plinth, I start to make like this, just like the way I started inside here, inside this place. After you twist for some time, release your hand. You don't tight like from the starting. Release your hand like this. Then I will raise this up and bring this under. Also with this one, raise up and hold with pin. If you are going to leave it permanent, you can use glue to hold along where you are folding. Then if you are going to reuse the material, you hold like this. You can see I didn't use anything. Like this, very simple. Use your hand to arrange like this. I make a triangle shape to give me these 2 points, but 1 point I make it straight. You can see the difference. You can make it either way. It's still the same design, just the difference is this one has 1 point and this one has 2. This is the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, share this video too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.